Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Smart Programmer. I hope you all are fine. Today I'm back with a new interesting video, and this is a simple tutorial on how to convert a text to handwriting form in Python in just 2 lines of code. So this video is going to be very interesting. So without any further delay, let's jump into the coding part. Okay guys, to convert the text to the handwriting form, we will use the pywhatkit module. So first of all, I'm going to import that module. So import pywhatkit as kit. So this is the short form, and so now we will simply call a function text to handwriting, and then we will pass any text. Okay guys, now I'm using this instance kit dot handwriting text to handwriting. This is the function, and now I'm going to pass any text. After that, when we will run this program, this will generate an image with this handwriting. Okay guys, now let's run it and let's wait, and make sure that you have an active internet connection while you are converting your text into the handwriting form. Otherwise, if you have no internet connection, otherwise it will give you an internet issue error. So you can see here our process is finished with exit 0 code, and now let's see. So as you can see here, pywhatkit.png is a paired name because we have not given any name to save our image with a particular name. So that's why it is saved with a default name, which is pywhatkit.png. So now let's open it. And here you can see that hello viewers, please subscribe to my channel. So this is how you can convert your text into the handwriting form by just simply writing a 1 line of code. Okay guys, now let's do some fun with this function. So now I'm passing the color, which is RGB, and I'm passing the RGB values like 0,255,0. And now I'm going to save this image with a different name according to my own choice. So now I am using another parameter, which is save to, and I'm giving the name here like new.png. so png is the extension and new is the name. So now let's run it. So you can see here new.png. so now let's open it. So this is the green color. Let me zoom in. Hello viewers, please subscribe to my channel. So we can change the color by changing the values. And now let's run it again. Just close it and wait for it. The process is finished, and now let's open it again. So now it is changed to the yellow color, like hello viewers, please subscribe to my channel. So this is how you can do fun with Python language. And I hope you like this video and learned something. So now try it out by yourself and let me know if you like this video or not. And you can ask me anything in the comment section below. So please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more videos and interesting content. So bye for now, take care, and Allah Hafiz.